opportunities.
This conference will now be recorded.
That we do after a project as a freelancer or full-time. What would be the training cost? What would be the compensation? We'll be discussing additional benefit and detail. So as a company, we do IT consulting from 2003. We do technology transformation on cloud, and as a cloud era is there, so everybody are moving to cloud. So ERPs are also moving into, and we do about, and we focus on implementation part. We have designed the program, right, where there are three types of program: basic, advanced, and expert. The cost varies because the duration of support what we will be giving in long term. Like in expert level, 1 year complete support, license, right, certification, sponsorship, right, that will cost 2.12 lakhs. Advanced, it is 88,500, which is for 180 days, and after training it is, right. And then basic, it is for 90 days. So we are basic 47,000, and 88 and 2,12,000 you can select as your comfort. Training, competency building, upgradation will be for 60 hours, and post that you need a license, additional license, which will be for 30 days, 60 days, and 90 days. You will be part of the project, right? So there also 60 days, 90 days, 160 days. In 60 days you will be doing implementation. In 90 days you will be part of testing, also 160 days implementation, testing, and integration. You'll be paid, stipend has $100, $200, and $300, right, as a project. And then deployment will happen, basically onboarding, what we talk about with 45, 60 to 90 days. Your notice period should be between that, not more than this. So that is what we'll be looking on. Certification assistance will be also given, which is additional sessions of 15 hours, 25, and 40 hours. Examination fees in basic and advanced, candidate will pay. In expert, company will sponsor, right? And there will be a recording of the sessions for upgradation, what we are doing. One copy will go to the customer for whom we are going to do a project. One copy is with you, plus material will be given, right? And client project, from the solution architect level, you'll have a discussion, all right? Program completions, which we are going to do on, and then post that you will have WhatsApp support, so that you can smoothly complete the projects and your implementation, which is for in basic, advanced, and expert. All right, so this is how we'll be looking on from the project prospects. All right, and we'll be having this weekdays and weekends program. Weekdays, Monday to Friday, we will have 1 hour morning or evening. Weekdays, we are going to have Saturday and Sunday, 2.5 hours each, and you will be part of licensing, which is 24/7. As now we have for 18 positions open, right, for this year and next year, which we are going to hire for our projects. Supply chain management is basically the module which will be migrating from on-premise to cloud solutions. So we'll be using Fusion also. So here a lot of things in cloud executions we are going to do, like inventory maintenance and manufacturing for the customer. Your role will be from architect level. So there is an architect level where the requirement gathering, yes, it is different from on-premise, but we'll be getting involved in designing, all right, implementation and forecasting. Not only the supply chain will be on the cloud, but HCM is on the cloud, finance and project management, procurement, and CRM. So GRC is also part of cloud, which you're going to do about for the customers in migration part. So designing till total building, like designing, order, planning, procurement, manufacturing, complete supply chain will be building on the cloud. And here the technologies like AI and machine learning are part of, which would be used for complete, customized solutions for the system. So we'll be using embedded technologies like RFID, another thing customer would have. They want to, install with ERP. So the tracking mechanism and automations can be built for the customer. So complete, there are 3 stages: predict, algin, and respond, where forecasting, right, looking from the stock point and right, planning, capacity, all this will be building on, so that we can optimize. The upgrade program, what we'll be building for project specific, one is how the cloud is different, how the cloud migration will happen, what are the permissions and setup we'll be doing on, all right, and then structure migration or configuration on Oracle, supply chain management we are going to do about. Then data migration also will be one of the activities we'll be doing on, right, specific to customers. So they may have multiple systems. We'll be focusing on inventory management in the cloud, configuration or transaction setup, configuration specific to customer need. All right, and then we'll be looking on their inventory plant and other specification. Same way, procurement also we are going to configure, all right, and make a digital and smart, configurations for our customers, which can be optimized part of. Same thing, order management we'll be building and customizing. So complete supply chain, there is an integration with CRM also, and there is an integration with billing. So that also will be covering. Generally in training, they don't cover billing and all because they are specific. But our project requirement is that we need to know 3 modules where data integrations will be there with supply chain management. Certification, yes, as I said, there'll be associate level, professional, master level. So initially we'll focus on associate level. Maybe after 1 year, we'll be focusing on professional and master level. Though integration is also, we will be seeing what are the system we are going to integrate specific to customer and the business requirement we are going to build on. All right, so that we can optimize and take it further. So here customer specific, there may be a multiple system which we are looking with, Oracle database or third-party database which we are going to configure. So customer want us web-based integration. So our role will be what are the web-to-web applications, what data, what workflow, what are the business validations will go on. And we'll be seeing that Oracle or SAP applications configurations also, and then server to server. So one server is what customer is using on. It has now in Oracle, but cloud-based server we are going to do about. So this is how we'll be looking on. Overall intention is to build the competency of the resource who can sustain in the project, who can take the project to the next level. It can be completed on time and we can deliver it. We'll be starting this upgradation program from coming week, and then we will be looking for projects from mid of May. All right, and then onboarding of the resources will start it from July. All right, so this is what life cycle will be part of. From July till we'll be having first phase of the project, which will be for 90 days. Second phase of the project will start from 91 day, but I think it get extended. 90 days not easy to get into, but they have a scope of line that. So as this overall customers, we are going to work for at least 36 months of the duration of the project. Now we'll open session. Any questions, Ganesh, Mohammed, you have related to, please let me know.
So these are the prices we are supposed to pay. Basic, advanced, expert.
Sorry, coming, your voice is low. These are the prices posted.
Yeah, the prices screen. Okay. So with which with which one, basic, advanced, or expert, we will get a definite job offer.
Job is at all the level here. It's only the license Oracle charge, right? It's just because see license how long we want it. So I think even basic people get a job, they do good, right? If it is a training institute, you can push for that, all right? Even if you do a basic, your competency, we have to grow because we have to focus on billing. Focus is not on expert level. You pay 2 lakhs. 2 lakhs is for certification sponsorship, right? And 1 year support. If people are talent enough, right? I think even 90 days or 180 days supports are sufficient after your deployment, right? So if you feel you need more support, go for advanced. Expert, if companies are sponsoring, you should go for, according to me, all right? Or if you are in position that you want 1 year complete hands-on support on licensing, backend, you have a dedicated delivery manager to support you, to see that you sustain. Many times candidates get a job project, but they are not able to retain. So they want that, so that it depends on the resource. How do we want to get into? But I suggest basic or advanced should be fine.
True. That's
Anything
about
else?
from my.
Yeah, sure. Ganesh, any question you have? So thank you for joining. Hope we can take this further. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Thank you for your time.